Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in GTA 4. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just press escape button and move here to graphics and you will see this first section, video mode. Just choose resolution from your monitor. Move here down on aspect ratio, set like me auto. On texture quality, just set this on high. On reflection resolution, set this off. Water quality, set on low. Shadow quality, switch this off. Texture filter quality, set on it like me. View distance, set this on 100%. On detail distance, also. Bicycle density, switch this like me. Definition, leave this on. VSync, leave this on. And hit space. Hit enter. And you have best FPS settings in GTA 4. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.